and Lagoon. These storms may intensify, so be certain to monitor local radio stations and available television stations for additional information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Robeson County in southeastern North Carolina, Bladen County in southeastern North Carolina, northwestern Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Duarte to Fair Bluff, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Whiteville, Elizabethtown, Rowan, Chadbourne, Bladenboro, Fair Bluff, Boardman, Bladen Community College, Ammon, Butters, Council, Southeastern Community College, White Oak, Carvers, Smiths, Howellsville, Lisbon, Abbotsburg, Taylorsville, and Dillard. This includes U.S. Route 74 between mile markers 370 and 394. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Flood warning now in effect until Wednesday morning. The flood warning continues for the Cape Fear at William O. House Lock and Dam 3.